In this video, I'll show you how to make a booth in Please Donate using your mobile device. First, open Roblox and join the Please Donate game. Once you're in, walk around the map until you find a booth labeled and claim. Stand in front of it, then hold down on the white button that says claim until it loads and assigns the booth to you. Now you've claimed your stand. To customize your booth, hold down on the stand again and tap edit. Here you can change the booth's text, view donation stats, or tap the gear icon to choose or buy a new booth design using in-game currency. Now if you want to add donation buttons, you'll need to create items for sale, like a game pass. Exit the game and open Safari or another browser. Go to www.roblox.com, then tap continue in browser. Sign in to your account. Next, request the desktop site. Tap the EA icon on the address bar in Safari and choose request desktop website. Now in the browser, go to create.roblox.com. Once there, tap Experiences, then choose your default place. Tap the three lines in the top left corner, then go to Associated Items. Then go to Passes. Tap Create a Pass and upload an image. Set a name and description, then hit Create Pass. After creating the pass, click on it, then tap Sales from the menu. Toggle item for sale on, then set the Robux price, for example 300 Robux. Then tap Save Changes. Now your Game Pass is ready to be used as a donation button. Go back into Please Donate, claim a booth again, and you'll now see your new donation button on the stand, labeled with the Game Pass name. And people can now donate to you using that button. And that's how you set up a booth and add donation buttons in Please Donate on Roblox Mobile.